Hey, good morning traders. TG Watkins here. It is January 30th, right before the market opens, and wanted to show you a couple things. The market is going to be opening down just a little bit. We can see that here on the overnight, right over here. Looks like we're going to be opening kind of back into maybe this range and into the hourly 21. And this is okay. It makes sense so far. You know, we're going to be not too worried about some ebbing and flowing for now. And what we can see here is it's getting pretty close to the third ATR. It's also getting pretty close to this previous high, so a little bit of pullback makes sense. We could also see that it was starting to put a little bit of a gap in between price and the daily 8. So, you know, we'll just have to see what this kind of pullback looks like. I've been saying to the Moxie subscribers out there and into the options room that basically it's going to be all about the pullbacks. We need to see if this market can handle pullbacks, can handle dips, you know, kind of like that, I think it was this one right here, the Microsoft earnings, you know, big move down, basically a liquidation break. And you know what? Got bought right back up. So these are the things that we need to continue to see if the market can handle news like that, can handle moves. Same thing like this. If dips generally can get bought up, then we're going to be seeing that this is a pretty good, strong market, and we want to see if they can handle incoming news like that. We know that the market has basically been going sideways for quite some time. You know, there's been talk about inverted head and shoulders. We are starting to break over these trend lines and break over these moving averages. There are also a lot of statistics that say that if January is a strong year or a strong month after a down year, a lot of historical statistics say that we should be having a pretty strong bullish year. Now, of course, we don't know what the path looks like. And of course, economic news could throw that off. Of course, there's a lot of talk about recession and inverted yield curve, all that kind of stuff. We just don't know when that's going to matter. So, okay, keep that in mind. And if we look at the Dow, this is another something that we can look at and say, you know what? If the market just kind of holds up, I think that could be a green light for a lot of stocks underneath. If we look at the Dow back here in 2020, got over the monthly 10. You can see the same thing here, got over the monthly 10. It got over the moving averages here on the weekly chart. And if you just look, I mean, it's really just kind of been going sideways. So, you know, there's a flag. So let's see if this can continue to hold up like this. Even if the SPY continues to do something like this, I think that would be okay. You know, if we look here at the daily chart, it's been chopping around a bit, but it's been holding up. You know, these kind of pullbacks right here, doing okay. So we're going to be watching for this and seeing if the market can generally do something like this. And if names breadth underneath the surface hold up and don't fall apart, you know, if we don't get another one of these, then we're actually looking like we're in pretty good shape. So, you know, keep your head on a swivel. We don't know what this market's going to do. We always have economic news coming out. Things can change. But for now, things are looking fairly good, strong, trying to rebuild themselves. And, you know, let's just kind of keep our minds open for that possibility as well. All right, everyone. Thanks again. Catch you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.